Hey class, welcome to Gallup Gardens, where we are doing our suburban homesteading. For this episode, this season, whatever you want to call it, we're starting our peppers and we're starting our tomatoes, and we're getting all of our little seedlings going. So join us, please like and subscribe, really helps the channel out. Thank you. So what are we doing here?
We are about to start some tomatoes and some peppers indoors.
Yeah. Alright guys, here's our pepper varieties. Purple jalapenos, hot salsa blend, normal jalapenos, crispy hybrid, purple midnight, Chinese 5-color, sugar rush peach. This is supposed to be hot and sweet. Sounds kind of cool. Purple star, this is supposed to be the world's sweetest pepper. And these are supposed to be really sweet, these chocolates. And then just some good old bananas for the kids. Oh, we got a pretty good helper over here, guys. Hey Sterling, what you doing? Eating the things we're not supposed to? Just y'all. Okay, so we've got a tomatillo. We've got indigo blueberry tomatoes. I believe these are atomic grape tomatoes. I grew those once. They were really good. Hopefully they germinate this year. The black beauties, and then these are purple Russians. And I'm pretty sure that these are all indeterminates, and we're going to grow them up the trellis. So, looking forward to that. We're also going to go buy 1 or 2 hybrid beefsteaks because I love frying tomatoes for the summertime. To me, like fried catfish and fried green tomatoes and fried squash is where it's at, and that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, look at this big helper here. What is going on? So here it is. We have, I believe, all of our peppers are over here. Yep. And then this space is going to be cucumbers or something once we get closer. And then this is all of our tomatoes. And we got a little heater here going to warm them up so they germinate a little better. And just stay tuned, guys, and you'll get to see us plant them. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. It really helps us determine, you know, kind of like what are good videos to make, what are bad. And join us on our journey, not only as we grow things, but as we get better at the editing process and all that. Thank you.